This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche Cayenne. First, ensure your key is inserted into the ignition slot on the dashboard. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your right foot. Finally, turn the key clockwise to start the powerful engine, listening for its distinct sound. This prepares your luxury SUV for the road ahead, ensuring a smooth start every time. Once the engine is running, move the gear selector to D for forward motion or R for reverse. Your Cayenne offers several driving modes, such as Sport for enhanced performance or Off-Road for challenging terrains. Familiarize yourself with these options and consider using the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel for manual gear changes, adding to your driving engagement. To begin moving, gently press the accelerator pedal. For stopping, apply smooth, progressive pressure to the brake pedal, avoiding sudden movements. Always steer with both hands on the steering wheel, maintaining a comfortable and secure grip. This ensures optimal control and responsiveness, allowing you to confidently navigate various road conditions and turns with precision. Your Porsche Cayenne includes advanced features to enhance your driving experience. Utilize the parking assist systems for effortless maneuvering into tight spaces. You can also adjust the suspension settings to optimize comfort and handling across different terrains. When you've reached your destination, engage the electronic parking brake by pressing the designated button, securing your vehicle safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.